G'day guys, how's it going? My name's Trev and this is my channel, Trev's Life. And on the channel, I like to show you guys things that I'm doing around the yard, like gardening, cooking, woodwork, anything that I'm doing, anything that I think's a bit of fun. And on today's video, I'm going to be making Trev's cold and flu tonic. Alright, let's get stuck in. Okay guys, this is a fun little recipe that you can make that you make it once a week, once a fortnight, cook it up, keep it in a bottle in the fridge, and every day you take a tablespoon. Okay, so this is how we make it. First of all, get your water boiling. Get 1 litre of water boiling up, and then what we need is 200 grams of fresh garlic, 100 grams of fresh peeled turmeric, 200 grams of fresh peeled ginger, and 3 lemons. I just got these off the tree. They're the last of the season. It's up to you. If you had a half a dozen or whatever lemons, you can use as many as you want. But that's all I got. And some honey. And this is the good stuff. This is locally grown honey by a member of our family who lives, well, not locally, down Brizzy. Chrissy, good on you. How are you, mate? So this is not the dodgy honey. This is proper homemade honey. All right, so we've got a litre of water boiling. What we do is we put a litre of water in the blender. Look. To that we add 200 grams of garlic, 100 grams of turmeric, 200 grams of ginger, and then the juice of 3 lemons. Wow, these lemons don't have much juice in them. If you want, if the lemons are out of season, you can just get some of that store-bought stuff. But fresh is best, if you can get away with it. Right, let's blitz this up. Now we want to blitz this a lot because we won't be filtering it at the end, because we don't want to filter out all that healthy turmeric, especially when that 100 grams just costs $6. So okay, after about a minute of blitzing, let's just have a look. Looks good to me. Alright, so got a litre of water already boiling. Now we add our brew to the litre of boiling water. And through the magic of TV, I'll get back to you after this has come to the boil and simmered for 5 minutes. Rightio guys, with the magic of TV, the bringing to the boil and the simmering for 5 minutes process is finished. And what you end up with is this lovely big pot, I don't know if you can see that, of tonic. Now, the next trick, whilst this is still warm, actually, I've got an ice bath here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the ice bath just to let it cool down a little bit. We don't want to completely cool it because we want the honey to be able to melt into it, but we don't want to add the honey to a boiling hot mixture. Okay, so that's cooling down. And now, what we do is we add the honey. Now with all that garlic and ginger and turmeric, it's going to be a pretty strong brew, like taste-wise. So now we add, let's say, 2 cups of honey. Because if you've already got the flu, honey is really good for soothing your throat, and it's full of all sorts of stuff that helps you with the flu. Now I'm not going to go into all the benefits of turmeric, garlic, ginger. If you want to find all that stuff out, you can Google it. But I'm just going to mix this up and get ready for bottling. Oh, and a little pro tip. If you don't want yellow fingers, put some gloves on when you're cutting the skin off the turmeric. Alrighty guys, we are finished. Now, this is what the brew looks like. I put it in the ice bath, brought it down to, well, it's actually cold. Ooh, that tastes delicious. What you do next is your bottle. Now, this is going to be, obviously, well, it looks about a month's supply, I reckon. So, what you do is, for starters, you bottle up what you reckon you can use in the first week. Okay, so that's what I reckon I can use in a week. And to store the rest, I've got a couple of my ginger beer homebrew bottles left over from bottling the ginger beer the other day. Now, I've sterilised these bottles and I've rinsed them in hot water a few times and they are good to go. Alrighty, so we have our 2 bottles, and what we're going to do is we're going to seal these like we would the homebrew ginger beer. So we put the caps on, bring in the old capper, beautiful. Now I guess there's nothing left to do but have a taste test. So what I suggest is every day go to the fridge, get yourself a tablespoon. If you can handle a bit more, maybe a half a cup, and every day have a little drink. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, that ginger gives it a nice little afterburn kick. Ah. Now I ask you, what cold or flu bugs would want to live in your body if you were drinking this every day? So what you do, you just incorporate this into your everyday life. Every day, little drink, little drink, little drink. It boosts your immune system. I'm not a doctor, but I've read enough stuff on garlic, ginger and turmeric, honey, lemon to know that if you've got this stuff in your belly every day, there's not much chance of you getting sick. Alrighty, so that winds up this video. If you can do me a favour, if you're enjoying these videos, can you press the like and subscribe and share button, and that'll help me grow the channel and I can keep these awesome videos coming. Alright guys, until the next one, I'll catch you later. Truth, I forgot to tell you, this stuff's really good for cooking too. So if you enjoy the ginger and garlic flavours, next time you're doing a stir fry or cooking up a big pot of stew or something, you can always add a little bit of this in, and it'll make it taste yummy and it'll make it healthy. Alright, catch us later. G'day guys, how's it going? And welcome to